Can you believe this is my first time of trying the lazy girl method?
Mosaics and fire.
Jerusalem is my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Listen. Jerusalem.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be trying the lazy girl method for the first time with Polygel. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do this method, but I haven't. So I've picked out my nail sizes. I've also prepped my nails because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. So you can see my nails are well prepped. I actually don't have any design in mind. I'll just do as the spirit leads. Because it's my first time, I don't want to make any mistake or do anything too complicated. I think I'll just put some glitters on my thumb. So I'm applying the base coat. The base coat is used to stick the glitters. I'll carry it for 30 seconds. I'll bring it out, then put the polygel. I was motivated to do the lazy girl method when I saw it on PQ Color channel. That's told me she did it, and I decided to give it a try as well. Kindly check out her channel. She's a new YouTuber as well, and she has been very supportive of my channel ever since she came across my channel. So I've cured it for 30 seconds and it's time to start applying the polygel. So guys, wish me luck. Yeah. I've also heard a lot of YouTubers saying that the polygel should not be too much. So I was trying not to put in too much of polygel inside the tip. So I applied my base coat because I use base coat as my sleep solution. So I've applied my base coat. I'm going to be using the brush to smoothen the polygel out. So now I'm patting forward and also patting backward, making sure that the polygel touches every corner. My stand doesn't want to cooperate with me. It's a little bit shaky. I don't know why. I'm trying to take the excess polygel off. I don't want it to be too much inside the tip. If you're going to be using glitters when doing the lazy girl method, it's better to use flat glitters. I'm trying to see if the sides are well covered, and I can still see some space here, so I'll still use the brush to bring the polygel to the side so it can cover the sides that are not covered. I'll put this on my nail till I feel a kind of a suction effect. Then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds as well. So I would like to use this glitter polygel from Rosalind on my pinky because it's freestyling. I'm just doing anything that comes to my mind. So I'm going to put that inside, apply my base coat as well, smoothing the polygel out, then put on my finger. So basically the same process all through. So this is the easiest nails I've ever done for myself because it took about 20 minutes to do the 5 fingers. It's always a struggle to do acrylics for my both ends, but now that I've found this lazy girl method and I discovered that it's easy, I think this is what I'll be doing all the time. If you're still watching my video and yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below to join the family. So while spreading the polygel in the nail tip, I made sure that the polygel at the back at the cuticle area is very small, so that I don't have to be removing excess polygel when I place it on my finger nails. For my index finger, I'll be doing an ombre design on this finger. So I'm starting with the pink polygel first. Then I'm going to be applying the glitter polygel at the tip. So the secret to having the perfect lazy girl method is using very little amount of polygel in the nail tips. One of the reasons why I like working with polygel is that there is no wastage. You can always put the excess polygel back into the tube. If you'd like me to do more of this lazy girl method with polygel, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be doing all glitters for my middle finger, just like my pinky. Like I said earlier, I don't want to do anything complicated because it's my first time of trying this method. I'll be repeating the design I have on my thumb, on my ring finger, but I'll be using more colorful glitters because I discovered I used only pink glitters on my thumb and they didn't really come out the way I wanted them to. I'm just making sure the tip is well placed so I don't have any lifting at the cuticle area. I'm going to cure this and also make sure I cure the undersides before I start filing. Can you see how flat the undersides are? Because polygel have sticky residue, I'll be cleaning the undersides and the cuticle area with isopropyl alcohol. Then I'm going to file the cuticle area to make them flat and look natural. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Thank you. The nails I used are pre-shaped nails that I got from Alibaba, but they're also available on AliExpress. Now I'm buffing the nails to take the shine off the nails before applying my top coat. Now I'm applying the top coat and I'm using Venalisa tempered top coat and I'm going to cure it for 2 minutes. Don't forget to apply top coat on the inside of the nails. This is to give it a perfect finish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and also leave a comment. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. Just click on the subscribe button below and also turn on notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.